Autoglym Rapid Ceramic Spray adds gloss and protection, and it is a quicker and easier alternative that adds 3 months of protection to your paintwork. After first washing your car, we recommend removing fallout with magma, especially if the clean surface is still rough to the touch. Shake well. Rapid Ceramic Spray can be applied to a wet or dry vehicle. Use Rapid Ceramic Spray either right after rinsing and before drying, or after drying on clean, dry paintwork. For maximum durability, or when using for the first time, we recommend applying to a dry vehicle. Work in an area no larger than a shoulder's width apart. Spray sparingly directly onto paintwork or a clean microfibre cloth and spread. Buff with a separate clean high-tech microfibre finishing cloth to a high gloss before moving on to another area. If working on wet paintwork, again in sections, spray over the paintwork and spread with an Insta-Dry or high-tech microfibre cloth, then buff to dry with a second microfibre cloth. For added protection, a second coat can be applied, allowing 24 hours between applications.